How to turn on or off notifications in Snapchat.
Hello everybody, now I will show you how to turn on or off notification for 1 minute in the Snapchat app. Everything is done very quickly. First we open Snapchat and now we need to click in the upper left corner on our profile and go there. Then click the settings in the upper right corner, and now after you have opened the settings, we look down and find notifications, and then we can choose which notifications we need to turn off. Choose what we need and turn it on or off here at your discretion. That's another way of disabling notifications, which is by setting it in our phone, going into the settings and finding the Snapchat app, finding the notification setting, and then you can also disable the unneeded notification and disable some features. Thank you all for watching, like and subscribe to the channel.